There's a moment after you apply skincare products, certain skincare products, especially the ones containing hyaluronic acid and glycerin, when your skin just feels and looks better, smoother, brighter, healthier. People call it the glow. But what if I told you the glow is mostly a visual effect? Not repair, not rejuvenation, not long-term change. I'm Dr. Yuval, Bibi, Dermatologist. My mission is to break you out of the skincare spell and have your skin work fully for you rather than you working for the skincare industry. Now let's break down what's actually happening. When you apply humectants like hyaluronic acid or glycerin, they pull water into the outer layer of your skin, the stratum corneum. The added water causes the skin cells to swell lightly and the surface becomes smoother. And when the surface becomes smoother, light reflects more evenly. That's the glow. It's not your skin becoming healthier fundamentally in the moment, it's just that your skin changes temporarily how it interacts with light. You're seeing an optical improvement, not a structural one. Hyaluronic acid in particular mostly just sits on the surface. It forms a very thin film. Glycerin penetrates a little bit more, but fundamentally still sits on the outer layers. Neither one of these ingredients is building collagen, neither one of these ingredients fundamentally changes the structure of the skin. And neither one is reversing aging, whatever that even means. They're creating a temporary hydrating effect that peaks quickly and fades within hours. And there's the part that's rarely discussed. Your skin is not static. It's constantly shedding, interacting with the environment, losing and gaining water. So any surface level change, no matter how good it looks in the moment, is inherently temporary. So the glow people chase is real, but it's short-lived. And more importantly, it's not the same as improving the biology of your skin. In many cases, what you're seeing is closer to presentation rather than transformation. A quick shift in hydration, a quick change in reflection. That doesn't mean these ingredients are useless, but we should be honest about what they're doing. Because when you understand that, you stop chasing the glow. And you start asking a better question. What actually creates lasting change in the skin? Because real skin health doesn't disappear in a few hours. For how to make your skin look younger, check out my video at the link above. Also, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more no BS skincare advice. See you next time. God bless.